What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. This video I'm going to show you guys a tutorial and how to get the dark reader for your web browser. Let's jump into it. With all of your search engines that are out there, whether it be Google, Firefox, or Safari, the default custom background is going to be white. And for everybody out there, everybody's eyes are different. Some people don't mind the white background, but if you're looking at the screen for long periods of time, this white background here can be very blinding and very stressful on your eyes. Strain your eyes a lot. I would highly recommend getting blue light reflecting glasses to help protect your eyes. And also, go to this website right here. I will leave a link for it in the description down below of this video. And this is the darkreader.com. Depending on what internet browser you use, Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, you can download the Dark Reader to your desktop or your laptop, and it'll always be right up here at the top right with a little girl wearing glasses. You click on this, and it'll pop up a little menu where you can adjust the settings to your internet browser. So for an example, I'm at the search page here for Yahoo, and I want to change this to dark. Come up to the little logo here of the girl with the glasses, click on her, and then they have a switch right here, on or off. If I switch it to on, it'll change my web browser to a dark color. If I want it off, just click it to the off state. And like I said, when you have this on, go through here and mess with the filters and the settings on it. The brightness, the contrast, the grayscale, and adjust all the settings to your likings. And this works for multiple websites. For me, as a stock trader, I like to use Finviz to find stocks. This white is very blinding. Sometimes I can't even read it. Switch the dark reader on, darkens my screen, and now I can clearly see everything that's presented on the screen, and I'm not straining my eyes as well with that bright whiteness. I helped you guys out. Help me out by hitting that subscribe button and that like button if you enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And until next time, everybody, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. Later, everybody.
The most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you agree?